What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making a smoothie. I'm kind of short on supplies today, but we'll still give it a shot. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to get ice cream. Whoa, not that much. I'm going to put some ice cream in there, and then let me get a knife. Okay. Then we're going to get a banana and cut it up. And we'll just get that in there. Actually, I want to use as much as the banana as possible. It's just, I usually don't like the tips, you know, because they're kind of whack. Okay. Next, we're going to add some yogurt. This is a yogurt, it's in like a bottle thing, but okay. Then we'll add some grapes for the hell of it. Put this big boy on here, right here, and we'll start blending. Dang, that was fast. Let me see. This will come off. Dang, that actually smells really good. We're gonna put some more ice cream in there though. Needs more thickness, you know. Looks good. I need cups. Compania. No, chill. This is actually my first time ever making a smoothie. Literally ever. This is my first time using a blender too. Like, I literally had to YouTube how to use a blender. I did not know how, and I guess it's pretty simple. So, oh my god, it's good. I'm so proud of myself. It tastes so good. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know when I'm gonna upload another video. I don't know. I'm sort of giving up on YouTube, sort of not, but I'll get back to you guys about that.